you want a VW, you've got yours on there, haven't you? I've got one more to do. You'll send what we do. Yours outdoors? So whose is outdoors then? He's not here. Just arrived. Right, are we on tight? I'll just check. Yeah, not going anywhere. Right, let's close it up, yeah. Make sure it's closed. So we go to Mem. That now lights up that page, okay, so we're happy there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tool 17, G54, centre with us. Lock. Green button. And again.
Oh.
No, I haven't put it on, it's too noisy. You know, when he came in to change filters, I'd already put him off by half a year, because I says we haven't been using them. When he came in, he looked at me and says, bit of a waste of a 4-hour job, this, and I said, well, I told you before you came. So, sir, let me write get some paper.
It's taking so long. Yeah. I think because of my design.
Sir? I have got no idea. No, well, you can video then. You don't. It's only brass, so brass is a self-lubricating. Yeah, it's soft. It's better to be able to see what's going on as well. So if you write VW, you just write your name there for me, sir. Write your name on there, and then I know.
Why is it taking so long? Yeah, it's taking so long.
Yours is ready to go. Yours is in done, isn't it? Yours is done. What are you going to do then, sir? Any ideas? You any ideas? No, on, sir. I've got some here as well. If you're willing to wait, I can try and machine any event for you for next week. I thought you'd be a James Bond. for your Aston Martin.
Almost happening.
Depends on what you do.
Is it done?
I think almost. It takes so long. It's like 5 minutes, over 5 minutes.
Yeah, so where them boss. So if you're doing a cooking gravy like a French, it's quick, that Ferrari is very fast. And that's quite fast with the boat. If you're doing that way, it's on box too.
Is Sai written in it?
Yes. Sign written inside. And then up.
So it's a kind of hexagon.
Yeah, second.
And Sai is written in it.
All these programs are less, so whatever you What we file off at now?
7 minutes. It's almost 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Some programs can take 30, 35 minutes, so depending what you want.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like I've just been saying. A program like that,
Yes, sir. Right.
because it's single line, will be done with about probably 30 seconds. That takes a bit longer, but that's single lines. Another one, 30, 40 seconds. This one, because it's all the materials removed,
Yes, sir.
that could be 30, 35 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, same. James Bond is a very long one because it removes all this material just to leave that bit.
Maybe
You're going by James Bond?
so you could maybe take a
Yeah, take a photo of it.